We've been talking about replacing our dining room chairs for a really long time, and currently we have the typical sort of shabby chic wooden charity shop chairs that are painted all different colours. But a week before Christmas, one of them is completely broken and can't be fixed. So we now have not enough chairs for the 9 people who are coming on Christmas Day. So on impulse, we've been on Amazon and bought some £20 chairs. They look great in the listing. They have lots of reviews, and I am fascinated to learn whether 1, they're any good, and 2, whether they're easy to assemble, because sometimes the instructions can be a nightmare. We're about to find out because the delivery van is here. The chairs I bought are sold by MCC Direct on Amazon. You'll see lots of similar ones, but these were the cheapest. We bought 6 chairs in pairs of yellow, navy blue and grey. They come in 7 other colours, and you can buy them individually or in sets of 4 too. The chairs come in 3 parts: the seat, the cushion and the legs, plus a few fixings to put them together. Our first challenge was the instructions, which, as predicted, are just pictures with no words. With 6 chairs to assemble, we all decided to have a go. My father-in-law got a little bit frustrated with them, but we did manage to crack it between us. Step 1 is fixing the cushion to the seat. There are 2 holes on the back of the cushion and 4 holes on the base of the chair. You have to line 2 of the holes on the chair base up with the 2 holes on the cushion. You can just about see the holes in the back of the cushion when they are lined up. It's easier if you've got a light coloured chair rather than a darker one. Next, you take the 2 pieces that form the legs and fix those together with the brace that holds them to secure it all. A while ago, we had some chairs of a similar design of these, which were actually more expensive and instantly didn't have this brace, so it's a good sign of quality. Another small thing I like about these chairs is that they come with felt pads already fitted on the feet. Comfort-wise, the cushions aren't very thick, but they are noticeably more comfortable than the wooden chairs with cushions which we had before. And of course, if you want an extra layer of padding, those loose cushions work quite well on these chairs too. The only other observation is that they do tend to kind of collect crumbs around the edge of the cushion at the back of the chair, but you can vacuum those up easily. Overall, we're really pleased with them. Lots of compliments from family on Christmas Day, and actually we've just ordered 3 more of them. If you'd like to know more, I put a link to the product page in the description below.